Do a tire rotation, I always check my rotors. You know, make sure my pads is wearing pretty good. It's kind of hard sometimes when you got these type of calipers because you can't see, but you can kind of put your finger in there to see if it's still like pretty even wear on these brake pads. So I did this brake job, shit, almost a year ago, and they still holding up pretty good. Like I can see in there, but y'all can't. But it's pretty, like, ain't no like ridges or nothing on the roads indicating like bad wear. Like this little doohickey right here, like this is your outer tie rod, this is your inner tie rod. Now you check these boots to make sure that the boots are not busted, because that can cause your power stern to go bad. And man, putting in a whole new power stern, what is it, a power stern, the whole power stern system, this whole piece right here, dude, yo, this shit sucks royally to put in a whole new power stern racket. Like this is a power stern racket, this whole long piece right here, like this is attached to your steering wheel linkage. So when you turn your steering wheel, the steering wheel is then turning your outer tie rod and inner tie rod, and the inner tie rod then turns this whole assembly, what you call is a knuckle. This whole piece right here, this is a stern knuckle. So all that stuff works together for you to turn while going down the road. And it also too, like, y'all see how earlier I showed y'all some regular valve stems? Like, hold up. So these are regular valve stems, meaning like it's no kind of computing system at the end of it. Like these as regular as you can possibly go for a valve stem. But you have something what's called TPMS. It's tire pressure monitoring system. And the way you can tell, if you look on your tire and you see like this screw right here, this is actually a screw and it actually screws off. And when you screw this piece off, you can actually push the whole tire valve stem in, and inside the tire is like a little square computing thing, and the computing thing actually reads your tire pressure back into the car. So when it reads the tire pressure back into the